How to measure and install a long leg build-out frame to a steel frame for a hinge security door. Welcome to another Starline Security video. Today we'll teach you how to measure and install a long leg build-out frame. When measuring for a reveal fit build-out frame, check the existing door squareness. Also, check for door handle clearance. Measure the build-out frame's opening size width across the top of the door jamb. The opening size width is 872 mm. When ordering one of these build-out frames in the portal, deduct 1 mm for the opening size for clearance. To find the drop ordering sizes, place the measuring tape on the sill and measure to the head. The opening height on the left side is 2057 mm. Repeating on the right side gives that opening size of 2050 mm. We deduct 2 mm from these drop opening sizes to allow for the sill chamfer and so the build-out frame fits easily. To install the frame, first lay out the frame on the floor. Insert the corner stakes to connect the frames, fixing them off with screws. Lift the long leg build-out frame carefully into the door jamb and mark where you want your fixings to be. Use between 5 to 7 screws, evenly spaced on both sides. Once complete, check the squareness once more. Now the door is ready to be measured up to receive a hinge security door. Want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Contact us for more information.